Do you have a lead conversion problem? I get asked all the time about helping people with their lead conversion. And when I hear that question, it makes me want to stop and ask another question to them. And that question is, hey, how many leads do we have? How many appointments are we going on? See, what I learned from my mistakes back when I was first getting started is I spent so much time on developing my skills and conversations and scripts and things like that. And I thought I had a big problem with lead conversion. And in reality, looking back on it, what I learned was that I really didn't have a lead conversion problem. I had a lead generation problem. It wasn't the amount, how good I was at the conversations. It was I simply wasn't having enough conversations. So I want to ask you a question, or ask you to think about your business. If you think you're in a lead conversion problem, or think you're having trouble converting leads to deals, or getting enough business, I want to ask you to take a real look at your business and real look at your calendar the last 30 days and say, hey, did I really have a lead conversion problem, or did I just simply not talk to enough folks or not have enough conversations? I'll tell you this, if I'm going to be a master of one or the other, which one's going to get you farther? The best conversion person out there, but you only talk to 2 people, or the worst conversion person out there, but you talk to 1,000 people? Which one's going to allow you to help more folks? Right, it's that lead generation piece. Then that can be solved with a couple of quick things, right? The fastest way to solve it, guys, is effort, work, hard work. So remember, if you think you're having a lead conversion problem, beating your head against the wall with lead conversion, stop and look at your calendar and your history of the last 30 days. How many appointments did I go on? How many people did I talk to? And if those are too low, you don't have a lead conversion problem, you have a lead generation problem. The cool thing about that is easily solved. That is effort, that is hard work. And guys, if you want to succeed in this business, you have to be willing to do that hard work. So if you don't have the numbers you want, I want to challenge you to look at your calendar and really examine your work ethic over the last 30 days. Now, if you're wanting to work harder and don't know what to do, but ready to put in the work, give us a call. We're happy to sit down with you and put together a good business plan. Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. And thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com.